What's up guys? Today in this video we're gonna understand about the useMemo hook in the React and how you can improve the performance using that hook. Okay, so first of all, let's see this application. Okay, we have basically a very simple implementation here. We have basically two different states. We have the result, and the result is a number based on the functionality, and we have the color options based on the swapped variable, and we have implementation of two different buttons with a box, this box showing the result. Okay, and this React application have a bottleneck. Okay, this bottleneck of this application is a hard operation. This hard operation is basically simulate the slow function inside the React. It's very common to us to have this a hard operation inside our React application. For example, if we have a data manipulation or any calculate data inside our React application, we have this hard operation. In this particular hard operation, I simulate with a big number, with a big interactions, several different interactions. Basically with this number, and basically we generate a random number between 0 and 10, and finally we multiply this count with this last random number. Okay, it's only for simulate, because with this React application, if interactive React application, we will see the bottleneck of performance. Let's see. If I click in the generate button, we see the delay about half a second and to generate the result. If I click again, we can see again, and if I spam this button, my React application is slower and result. And we see the performance, or this problem with the performance, you know. And if I click the swap color to only change the color of the background, we see same delay. It's because in the React application or React workflow, we have re-render, and re-render basically every time when change this state using set state, basically React will re-render all these steps again. And this hard operation is bottleneck of our application, because when we have that, we have several delay to calculate that, and all other things here is have delay to show in the screen, you know. So useMemo is best approach for this problem, because the useMemo hook is basically save the operation or return of the operation, all of this operation inside the memory. Okay, for example, so if we use useMemo inside this result, React will save this operation inside the memory, and every time when React will render, React will, okay, I have this in memory and I can get from the memory or recalculate that. And for recalculate that, we can pass the variable to dependency array. Okay, so let's see the practice that we can only refactor this code to const result and call the useMemo hook. And the useMemo hook is pretty similar to others React hooks. Basically, we have the first parameter as a callback for the function, and we can simply return the hard operation here, passing count to here, same as this operation, same out of this line. And the second parameter is dependency array. Dependency array will say to React, how can we, the dependency array will say to React if it really needs to change this information. So if I pass count here, React only will recalculate this operation if this count variable change, this state change. Okay, so let's see in the practice what happens when I save this code. Okay, let's save that, and if I come back here and click the generate, oh, we have a same delay. It's obvious because to generate new number we need calculate that, so we have this performance, this bottleneck of performance. But now if I change the swap color, we directly change this color without the delay, because React, see, we don't change this count variable, only the state of swap, and I don't need to recalculate that, and I can simple get this information from memory and pass to another steps of the application. Okay, so with that we can simple resolve the first bottleneck, the first problem of this application, of this button of swap color, like that. Okay, and with that we can simply use useMemo, but we have a hidden problem here. Let's show. So basically, to show this problem, I need to print color options, okay? Because color options is basically an object, you know? So we have an object based on the swap, and if swap change, we change this background color. And I console log, I log this, like, I don't know, change color options, for example. And if I open this console log and reload this application and click in the generate button, we see that. So we printed the change color, change color options. This is because in the React we have the same problem, because we have to swap it here. So React we will top down, we render all of that top down. So after that React simple check these color options and recreate these color options and pass into another steps. And okay, we can simple pass here, so we can implement color options with useMemo. Okay, so return, and we can simple copy that. Okay, here, and same as the first implementation of the useMemo, you can pass the swapped variable here. Okay. Okay. We can simple pass here. Let's try again. What happens here? And if I click in the generate button again, okay, we generate new result with hard operation without print any color option changes message. It's a very curious because it's a prot here, you know. So, but we need very careful when we use useMemo, this hook, because useMemo save this process inside the memories. The useMemo use memoization to save variable, to save operations inside the memory. And if we save all the stuffs in the memory, we can get another kind of problems, you know. So be careful when you use the useMemo hook inside the React. So basically useMemo is very simple, it's very useful to improve the React application, and you can use in your React application with these small cautions in the implementations, guys. But for today is here. But first day is that, okay? Thank you, bye-bye.